Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I finally got the flash back from DME Tuning. We're gonna be flashing that today. While we wait for that, I'm gonna put a wing on my girl's car here and the GTR going by right there. But yeah, while we wait for that to get flashed, we're gonna put the wing on this thing right here. Got a carbon fiber APR wing for that. And then we'll go for a drive in the C400. Show you guys a little bit how it sounds, exhaust, the differences, how the torque feels, how the power feels, everything, and just let you guys know overall the experience. I'm gonna have my girlfriend helping me install the wing today on her car. There she is, that's Ray. So we'll flash that, put the wing on this thing, we'll go for a drive, see how it feels, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so I got the tools we need. I'm gonna get the wing, put it on. Okay, so we just finished the install of the wig. It was obviously quicker than usual because I had it installed already. We just took it off for the winter. So we just put it back on. The Benz is also done flashing, so we're gonna take that for a drive now. I'll let you guys know how it feels. You guys can hear it a little bit, and we'll see what's different on it. So yeah, let's hit the road. You ready? All right, let's go. Let's check the mode. We don't want an eco, so we're gonna put in Sport Plus. And we're good to go. Alright guys, so we just got here in to downtown. We're gonna probably grab a little bite to eat and we'll show you guys some more of the car. What do you feel like eating? Jerk chicken it is.
Hi, can I place an order for pickup?
Yeah, sure. What is it?
Can I get 2 small jerk chickens?
2 small jerk chicken rice and beans.
Yes please.
Sure, no problem. 10 minutes ready.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Alright guys, so we're just waiting for the food. We obviously had to order it because this whole curbside pickup stuff. So both these cars are done. I haven't gone back to SJL yet to take a look at my car or anything. I'll be doing that probably on the weekend. We'll open some more of my motor and see what's going on. I've been looking into some parts, what we're gonna do with the motor, and I'll share that with you guys on the weekend as well. Let you guys know what parts and what brand I kind of want to work with. So yeah, we'll take a trip up to SJL on the weekend. Open some more of my motor. I'll show you guys how the GTR engine looks on the inside and a whole bunch of stuff. I still haven't shown you guys my steering wheel yet. I'll show you guys that as well on the weekend. We'll install that on the car. But yeah, there's a lot going on for the car, and SGL is pretty busy as well. He's doing a big group buy right now for GTRs, so a lot of people are getting his Stage 1 Plus setup, which is his hybrid in-house turbos. So I was running that as well actually, and I was making close to 900 wheel horsepower on those. So it's still stock housing and everything, just the internals are all changed. So if you guys want to look into that, just take a look at his Instagram page or anything at SJL Custom Auto. But yeah, other than that, we'll go take a trip there on the weekend. We'll see what he's doing up there, what cars he has there right now, and we'll open some more of my engine. Okay guys, so the flash is on. Just went for a little quick drive. Everything seems good on the car. Way more responsive now. Night and day difference. You can feel the torque, the power. Stock, the car has about 330 horsepower and about 350 torque. And the tune, we did the stage 2 tune with the downpipes. Keep in mind now, the car still has the stock exhaust, everything except the downpipes. We go catless downpipes only. It has an intake as well. So we put the stage 2 flash on it, and we'll be seeing an increase in about 120 horsepower and about 166 torque, which is pretty good for a car like this. DME tuning, so if you guys are interested in that, just send them a DM through Instagram or call them, whatever you guys like, whatever's easier. You just let them know you're supporting mods that the car has and what you're looking to do with it basically. So thank you to SJL Custom Auto for that hookup. If anybody needs anything to do with transmissions, engine builds, for any type of car, just give him a shout and he'll take care of you for that. Alright guys, we're going to give it a little quick blast. Second gear pull. Overall, it just feels way more responsive and just has a lot more pickup. Oh yeah. What do you think? She approves.
Hey guys, so we're here now at Sherway Gardens, and I have like a coupon for my birthday for like a free bubble tea, so I want to get that. We might end up going to Krispy Kreme donuts.
Bro, how long have these people been waiting here? 2 hours? For Krispy Kreme.
So this is your first day?
This is my first.
How do you like it?
Not accepting cash.
Oh, then I'll just pay with my card.
I got debit.
My first day back.
Oh, okay. Came and got my free bubble teas for my birthday, and we decided to try the honeydew and the mango, and it is actually really good. So kudos to bubble tea, and thankfully they were open since we decided to come down here without even checking, because like
Like a Lamborghini truck. guys, so we went for a nice drive to downtown. Tested out the car and everything. No lights are on or nothing of that sort. Car feels very good, very responsive. I like how it feels compared to stock. A lot more power, a lot more torque. We've had jerk chicken. We went to downtown. She got her bubble tea for her birthday. And yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, like for more content. And we will be visiting SGL soon and taking apart my car some more.
Are you gonna rip it and I'm gonna hold the camera like this?